Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for you. We're going to talk about the history of one of the most loved foods around the world, pizza. If you love pizza, you're going to enjoy this story. Let's dive right in. The history of pizza. Pizza is a very famous food. It's loved by millions of people every day, but it didn't start the way we know it now. The story of pizza goes back thousands of years. It begins in ancient times, in countries like Egypt, Greece, and Rome. People used flatbread and put different toppings on it like herbs, olive oil, and cheese. This was not pizza, but it was the beginning of what would later become pizza. The real history of pizza starts in Italy. It all began in Naples, a city in southern Italy. In the 18th century, people in Naples started putting tomatoes on flatbread. Tomatoes were new in Europe, as they had been brought from the Americas. The people of Naples loved this new food and it became very popular. The first true pizza, the pizza we know today, was made in Naples in 1889. It was called Pizza Margherita and was created for the Queen of Italy, Queen Margherita. A chef named Raffaele Esposito made a pizza with tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, and basil. He chose these ingredients because they were the colors of the Italian flag, red, white, and green. This pizza became very popular and is still one of the most famous pizzas today. In the 19th and 20th centuries, many Italians moved to America. They brought their food with them, and that's how pizza reached the United States. In America, pizza quickly became very popular, especially in cities like New York and Chicago. American people started making their own types of pizza, adding different toppings like pepperoni, mushrooms, and olives. There are now many different styles of pizza in America, including thin crust, deep dish, and stuffed crust. In the 20th century, pizza became even more popular around the world. Fast food chains like Domino's and Pizza Hut started selling pizza to people everywhere. Pizza became a global food, enjoyed in almost every country. Today, pizza is made in many different ways. Some people like it with lots of cheese, while others prefer it with lots of vegetables or meats. In some countries, pizza is even served with unusual toppings, like pineapple, tuna, or eggs. No matter what type of pizza you like, it's clear that this delicious food has a rich and interesting history. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed learning about the history of pizza. It's amazing how this simple food became so popular all over the world. Let us know in the comments what your favorite type of pizza is. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more interesting stories. See you next time.